This video is about home repair and remodeling scams. Scammers often show up uninvited, claiming they spotted a problem with your roof or driveway. They might bang tools around without fixing anything, then demand cash on the spot. Other scams target larger projects, offering a low bid, then asking for cash discounts and piling on surprise costs. Some vanish after taking deposits. The AARP Fraud Watch Network highlights these schemes so homeowners can avoid being victims. In the next video, I'll share the 9 warning signs that a contractor might be a scammer.